Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to create a new workspace in Oracle Apex. At first I will enter my Apex. I will log in through admin panel. From here I will create new workspace. I will create new workspace named pause, point of sale. Then next. Here I will keep pause name. Sorry, no need to password here. I will go next. Now I will set up my user schema and password. Here is sample email address example. Now next, see my workspace is created. Now I will log out from admin panel. And I will enter my new workspace, pause. But first I will change my password. See, this is my new workspace. Keep watching. Thank you.